Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression. 7 minus 1 times 7 minus 1. Are you ready to solve? Let's go and get started. 7 minus 1 gives us 6. And again here we have 7 minus 1. So 6 times 6 is just 36. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. Okay, in this expression, we have two subtractions and one multiplication. According to the PEMDAS, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction because multiplication comes before subtraction. And when we have more than one subtraction in an expression, we have to work from left to right. So therefore, first we have to do this multiplication, then this subtraction, and finally this subtraction. If we do this subtraction or this subtraction before this multiplication, it is wrong. So first we have to do this multiplication. 1 times 7 gives us 7. So 7 minus 7 and minus 1. Now we have to do this subtraction. 7 minus 7 is just 0. So 0 minus 1 equals negative 1. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is negative 1.